Quit making stupid faces.
Hey, Fruity, there's no time for the bullshit. If you keep talking, I will grab my grip with an extra clip for the round that I will bust. On your temple, I will not trust no man and no one. I'm a gangster to the day I was born, son. So listen carefully and listen close to the boss that's speaking written notes. Come through banging so hard, disrespect, nigga, I would knock you off your fucking guard. It's 7-4, 2-15-19. If you didn't know, I'ma say it again. If you didn't know, I'ma say it again. 2-15-19, 7-4 boss. Gangster, disciple, niggas pay the cost. Represent it to the fullest. I fucking pull it. Disrespect this fucking nigga, I do you, dog. Motherfucking extra clips, I fucking bang all of y'all. Gives no fuck, I'm a street nigga. With a street rhyme, I'm gutter nigga. 7-4, gangster, through the door, let it go. You see me where I go, I blow Joe. I get how I blow perk and I'm in the zone. Get it on, grab my comb and fucking ride into its own. There's no way, there's no how you can touch this. I'm a boss, bitch. I'm a gangster though. Talking shit, I'm real though. I'm padded up. Can you see that, boy? Hold on, get closer, fuck it. Back pose, out of control. Gangster though. Disciple 70. Fuck it though. YouTube. I met you boys. I'm finna hit you niggas next with some written shit.